Okay, the next graph that we're going to be looking at is our frequency table. So I'm going to model this one, and then you guys are going to do this one, okay? Jennifer is selling lemonade during summer break. The tally marks show how many cups she has sold on each day. Using the tally marks, correctly fill in the frequency table. Well, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And your tally marks, when you have your little, this is like a little bundle, it's 5. It's going to be a total of 5. So you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then across 1. So your tally mark would look 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would go across it like that, and then that would be your 5th one, okay? So you could count 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So on Monday, there was a total of 22 cups sold. On Tuesday, 5, 10, 15, 16. Wednesday, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Thursday, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then on Friday, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then that is how you fill out your frequency table. Again, just like I talked about in the posters, sometimes you'll see your tally marks included in your frequency table, but not all the time. All right, now it's your turn to practice on this one.